Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Satellites in orbit can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly by looking at how velocity and acceleration interact. Let's find the right time interval now. First, we need to understand that if a component of acceleration is in the same direction as velocity, the satellite must be speeding up. This is a key physics concept here. That specific component is called tangential acceleration. When it aligns with the velocity vector, the magnitude of the speed increases over time. We just need to check the provided speed graph. Looking at figure 2, the speed increases only from 0 to 2 hours. This means the acceleration and velocity align during that specific window, making option A our clear. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush.